Hey guys, this is Thomas saying in this video I'm going to show you how to use Instagram filters. But before that, don't forget to visit freewithsocial.com website if you want to grow your Instagram, Facebook or TikTok profile followers. Use discount code YouTube to get 10% discount on all of our services. Now here's how to use Instagram filters.
Open up Instagram app on your phone and log into your Instagram account. Tap on the plus icon at the upper right corner. Tap on Post. Add a picture from your phone gallery. And click on blue arrow icon at the top right. Now in this page you will find all of the filters to choose from. That's it for this video.
I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like this video, visit freewithsocial.com website if you want to grow your social media profile, use discount code YouTube to get 10% discount. We can grow Instagram, Facebook and TikTok profile followers. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.